Hello everybody, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday. So we are going to be trying, I don't have a concealer, I don't have a foundation, I have a concealer. This is the new L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Plus Quin Corrector. It's a concealer. Anyways, that's what it looks like. Oops. Oop. Put it in front of my face. There. See? It's the new L'Oreal Infallible. And that's what we're going to try. And we're going to start off with this since I'm going to go ahead and do the whole Scott Barnes method technique. So basically, I start with concealer. And my color is 330 Ivory, which kind of seems dark to me. I have already primed my face too with my Milky Mist from Pixie and my base tape from Tarte. I hope this is awesome. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I'll look it up here in a minute. And then I want to bring it all the way up on the sides. Yep, we don't need to even test foundation when you're using this much concealer. That thing is actually almost gone. I just keep scratching it. I don't have as much on this side because I ran out of stuff. All right. Now, I'm going to go in with my sponge and blend, 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 blend. And then we'll see how much coverage it is. It looks good. It looks really good. It's not drying down nearly as fast as the, well, all three. The Shape Tape, the Jouer, and the Born This Way. I like having time to do the whole thing. I don't think it has quite the coverage that they do, but it's got pretty good coverage. And it's not getting cakey so far, which is a huge plus. As long as it doesn't start moving around, sinking into lines. Don't want that. It looks really good. It really does. Okay, I'm going to go off camera, finish the rest of my makeup, then I'll come back and we will do an all-day wear test on this and see if it can hold up to hot flashes. And if it doesn't sink into lines, I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Well, I have to say I'm just not really feeling this concealer. It's kind of cakey. I hope it gets better. You know what? I forgot to put setting spray on. Let's do that. Let's put on some, should we put on Morphe or should we put on Dewy? I think I'm pretty dewy right now, so we'll put on the Morphe spray. Maybe that will help with the whole cakiness. I don't know how, but maybe, right? And then we'll just press it in so that maybe, nope, it's pretty bad. I know it doesn't look bad on camera, but it looks pretty bad. Yeah, I'm going to wear it all day, and I'll come back at the end of the day and let you know for sure. But right now, I'm thinking it's not going to make it. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. But it's pretty cakey. Under my eyes, on my forehead especially, it looks cakey and separated. And then over here where I don't have foundation, where I don't have concealer, it's fine. Over here it's fine. Well, pretty much everywhere I don't have concealer, it's fine. And I am using my favorite foundation, which is the HD Liquid Coverage from CATRICE. So it's not playing very well, but we'll see. Maybe it'll get better, right? Sometimes it does. So I will be back at the end of the day to let you know how it did. Okay guys, I'm back. It is the end of the day. As you can see, no lipstick. It's all wiped off. I have to say it did get better a little bit. As far as the cakiness, it got a little bit better. But it's sinking into lines real bad. Right there. That one, it's horrible. But it's also sunk into these ones a little bit. It's in this one a lot. So I'm going to have to call it a fail. Sorry. I was hoping it would be good. It looked like it was going to be good when it first went on. But then within not too long, it definitely went downhill. It definitely got cakey for a while. And now that the cakiness is gone, it's just like gathered in the lines, in the wrinkles. Really bad. Oh, look, it's gathered around my nose, too. Yeah, I'm going to have to give it a definite thumbs down. Sorry, L'Oreal. Where did it go? Oh, it's over there in my things to write down and put in the information box. Anyways, this is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, the new one. And it's a fail. It's definitely sunk into lines. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little bell, that notification bell, so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And that way if YouTube doesn't notify you, I will. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!